Muskies, known as the fish of 10,000 casts, are one of the most challenging freshwater fish to catch. But with the right approach, you can turn that challenge into success. Start with the right location. Muskies thrive in clear, cool waters with plenty of cover. Focus on weed beds, rocky points, and submerged structures where they like to ambush their prey. Timing is crucial. Muskies are most active in the warmer months, particularly at dawn and dusk. Overcast days can also increase your chances as muskies move into shallower waters. For muskie fishing, you'll need strong, reliable gear. Use a heavy rod, a high-capacity reel, and braided line with an 80 to 100-pound test. And don't forget that steel leader to protect against those sharp teeth. Lure selection is key. Go big with bucktail spinners, jerk baits, and topwater lures that mimic their natural prey. The goal is to catch their attention with something they can't resist. Muskies often follow lures without striking. Use the figure-8 technique at the end of your retrieve to trigger a hesitant fish into biting. Patience is crucial. Muskie fishing is a marathon, not a sprint. It might take hours, but the reward of landing one is worth every cast. If you catch a muskie, handle it with care. Keep the fish in the water as much as possible and use a knotless net. If you plan to release it, do so gently to ensure it swims away strong. And that's your quick guide to muskie fishing. Subscribe for more tips and techniques to help you catch the fish of your dreams. Thanks for watching, and tight lines.